Hello from Emperorland.
Start with Linux AB servers.
Here is what your Linux distro says about you. At the end of this video, I will tell you which one of them is the best distro. Ubuntu. You are either new to Linux or your company's IT sysadmin decided to install it on your work computer. You still try and use the terminal, but mostly just to create a folder or a programming file, only to delete it later using the GUI option again. Well, I guess old habits die slowly, just like launching the snap packages. Arch. You were a lost soul before you found the ultimate salvation to your distro hopping addiction. Arch, by the way. Or at least that's what an Arch user wants you to believe.
And I'm saved by the bell, or rather you are.
In reality, you are still distro hopping, but internally, from EndeavourOS to CachyOS, from CachyOS to pure Arch. Everything is considered bloat to you. You have a beefy computer, yet you configure your Arch setup to work on a computer from the 90s. You also have the urge to talk about Arch everywhere. Your whole personality is arching with Arch. Linux Mint. You are a stoic person. You do not want to overheat your brain with unnecessary stuff like changing the look and feel of your grub boot menu. You like the ordinary and just want to use your computer and be productive. Fedora. You want a more stable Arch in the purest form possible of your desktop environment, just to change the default Fedora wallpaper immediately after installing it. Slackware. Congratulations. You are now one of the 4 users who enjoy using the same Boomer operating system since the 1993. You are a creature of habit and most likely in your 40s, but you must be proud of yourself for using one of the OG distros from the 90s. Bob OS. You are either into Ubuntu but do not like snaps, or you like Hyberland but do not want to write code every time you want to change your wallpaper. So you end up falling for the cosmic desktop environment that comes with Bob OS. Nix OS. Now when you get asked what Nix OS exactly about, you say you like it because it takes a unique approach to package management and system configuration. But we all know you are a control freak who likes to create their own config and deploy it on every machine possible, because your config is superior to all configs and will not break. Of course, just for it to break later on. Not because of Arch, but because you over-engineered your superior config into oblivion. Rocky Linux. Let's be honest here, you use Rocky Linux so DaVinci Resolve will stop asking you about an ancient dependency from the Stone Ages. Alright, so which one of them is the best distro? Well, the best distro to ever exist is